To the world and global friends, Cambodia is not the aggressor. We are a peaceful nation. We are smaller, but we stand for truth. Thailand started this conflict by crossing into our land and using force. Now they close border and blame us. International media stop spreading one-side story. Listen to the people, look at the fact. Justice is on our side. We the people of Cambodia speak today not out of hate, but out of pain and truth. Our country has long sought peace. We value our sovereignty, our culture, and our future. But now, our peace is being shattered, not by our action, but by Thailand aggression. Despite what some international media are reporting, this is Thailand who fired the first shot. Their soldiers have crossed into our land, violated our border, and now claim what is not theirs. Our sacred temples, our soul, our heritage. Many news outlets around the world are framing Cambodia as the attacker. This is false, this is dangerous, this is unjust. We urge the world to open its eyes, to listen to the people who live in this reality, and not to be blindly trust headlines craft far from the battlefield. We are defending ourselves. We are defending our land. We do not wander, but we will not surrender our identity. Cambodia deserves the same right as many sovereign nations to live without fear, to protect what is ours, and to be heard. To international community journalists and human rights defenders, do not let lie win. Seek the truth. Stand with justice. Stand with Cambodia.